There's a beautiful poem titled Middle Age by Kamala Das. Kamala Das, known by her pen name Madhavikutty, is an Indian poet writing in English. She was born in 1934 and died in 2009. Middle Age is a deeply touching poem about the agony of a middle-aged mother. It is written in a poignant and nostalgic tone. The poem reveals how shockingly painful it can be for a mother when she is neglected by her own children when they grow into adolescence. Now, when does a mother become middle-aged? Of course, we are familiar with the term midlife crisis. That refers to a crisis of self-identity that occurs in the late 40s or early 50s of a person. But the poet says, middle age is when your children are no longer friends but critics, stern of face and severe with their tongue, she says. We know kids are adorable. They depend on their parents for everything, especially on their mother. But when they grow into adolescence, they no longer enjoy the company of their mother as they used to enjoy in the past. The little boy who was very friendly becomes hard-hearted. He starts using harsh language. Knowingly or unknowingly, he starts breaking the affectionate hearts of people at home. Like a pupa bursting its cocoon, the adolescent son comes out of the cocoon of his mother's care and affection. The poet says he no longer needs his mother except for serving him tea and for pressing his clothes. The mothers do not take this change as something very natural. They need the company of the children all the more. Mother can't hold him or hug him as she used to do early. So the emotionally broken mother goes to the room of her son when he is not at home and touches his bags, books, other things and weeps secretly. She remembers the funny games they used to play together. She thinks of writing in golden letters a squirrel's invitation for the jungle party and giving it to him and his friends. She thinks of the little pranks she used to play on him and hopes for the happy days to come back. But the son shatters all her hopes. He tells, "You have lived in a dream world all your life. Now it is time to wake up, Mom. You know, you are no longer so young." The poem reveals all the loneliness, pain and agony of middle age. It also throws some light into the lack of love in human relationship. Of course, in this selfish world, this mother cannot be a single mother, but a representative of all the mothers. We see in our daily life, when children come to kindergarten and primary school, they are so fond of their mothers. But when they come to high school and higher secondary, this transition takes place. Remember, your mother craves for your friendship, love and acceptance. Of course, your friends are important for you. But don't think your mother, who was once your best friend, is insignificant or unimportant. Give her also due importance. Thank you.